everyone, it's Annette and Swpea here with another week of Sweet Talk with Swpea. Hi Swpea, how are you?
Hi.
Have you had a busy week?
Always.
Yeah. We did do one last week, didn't we?
Yeah.
And it was you and I, because Allison's gone AWOL for a while. Anyway, so this week we're going to, it's only a week until Easter. So we thought we'd do a bit of an episode on our Easter designs. So we've got some new ones, we've got some really old ones, we've got some really quick ones that people can get done in a week's time. You can use them as gifts or decorations and things. So I know Swpea is like the queen of Easter here. She loves doing cute Easter designs. So Swpea will be talking about all of that soon. But what I want to talk about first is some new releases. So this week we've got a beautiful little purse that's just been released. It's a zipper purse. It comes in 6x10, 7x12 and 9.5x14 sizes. It's done all in one hooping. It's completely lined, no raw seams, and there's a gorgeous zipper on the back. So this one was made in the 6x10, and on the website we'll have the finished dimensions so you can see how big the other purses are. So it's got this gorgeous embroidered elephant on the front. You'll notice that his trunk is upwards, and it means when it's upwards, kindness.
Luck, prosperity, and kindness.
Kindness, yes. So it's always a good sign when you see an elephant with its trunk up. So that's what we've done in our design for that. Beautiful kind of embroidery, red work there, and then it's filled with the lovely, we've used our Incredi threads, but you can use any colours you like. This comes as a pack or as a single design. So if you wish to make it exactly the same as we have, you can buy the pack, which comes with a roll of natural grain light grey and a roll of the natural and silver cork fabric that we've got. So they're both very pliable, easy to stitch with. This has kind of got like a fabric backing, and it's got our label on the back, and our faux leather is beautiful and soft and pliable as well, easy to stitch on. So you get a roll of each of those. Each roll is 18 inches by 25 inches long, or 45 centimetres wide and 63 centimetres long. So you get complete rolls. So you'll get enough to make, if you make it the same as what we have in the same colour combination we've done, you'll get at least 2 out of these rolls. It also comes with a pack of 3 13.5 inch zippers. So these are our nylon zippers. So it's white tape with silver. You can see if James zooms in onto the pull tag down there, it's got our Swpea logo on too. So they're very fancy looking. If you look on the back, that's what it comes like. That's gorgeous designs, and the embroidery comes right around the back. So that's kind of like a mandala. Do you call that a mandala?
Yeah, it's very pretty.
So I think all the young people would like these, wouldn't they? Like to take to concerts and stuff.
I definitely want one.
You definitely want one. So that's called our elephant purse. You can get it as a supply kit on the website, or if you don't want the supply kit, you want to make it in your own fabrics, you can just download, you can purchase the design separately. So that's that one. The other one we have our Treasured Notions quilt, a block of the month quilt that's going on. We've had our block 4 released this week. I don't have it with me because it's in the middle of being all stitched up, and I can't show you the rest of the blocks. So it's come out. It can be done in a 5x7, 6x10 and 7x12. And also as well this week there's been a sashing and a corner block release for that quilt as well. So if you're not in that group, it's a good Facebook group to be in. It's the Treasured Notions, the Swpea Treasured Notions Facebook group. We'll have the link below. That's another fun block of the month, that you can join. So that's been released this week. Then the only other things I've got to talk about, apart from all of our Easter things, is our sew along. So I'll quickly talk about our sew along. Well, I'll talk about one sew along first, and then we'll talk about the other one. So this is our Kiss sew along. It starts the end of this week. I'll put it upside down. It starts on Friday, the 8th of April, Brisbane, Australia time. I'll put a countdown clock in the Facebook group so you can actually work out how many hours there are before it starts, because we realise that in different places in the world, the time differences and everything, it could be a different date for you. But if I put the countdown clock, you'll know when it starts. So Swpea digitised and just designed and digitised this one. Do you want to talk about all the different flowers in there?
Yeah. So this one, I learned a lot about flowers while I was designing this one. I wanted to showcase some of the beautiful wildflowers that are out there. So I've got the poppies. We've got the black-eyed Susans down here. We've got the cosmos flower, I think it's called, that one.
Yep.
And then I've got to try and remember the names of these ones. I think this one is the cone flower. These ones are daisies. We've just done them pink and lilac. And I've forgotten the name of this one.
I'll put it on the screen.
Yeah,
Yeah, when I remember. But yeah.
They're absolutely beautiful, and the stitching is just gorgeous on that Swpea. So it's 4 different blocks. So in the Kiss Sew Along, you need to be eligible for the competition, you need to make the cushion like we have, the pillow like we have. It comes in different sizes. Yep. You'll get the files for all the different sizes, so depending on what machine you have, you can pick whatever size hoop you want to use. This was done in a 6x6. We'll give all the final dimensions on the website too when the design's released. So you won't see that on the web. It will have been released by the time you see this video. So the Sew Along will have started. So the Kiss Sew Along, Kiss stands for Keeping It Simple Sew Along, and what it means is it's different to our normal Sew Along, monthly Sew Along, where we encourage people to be creative and do different things with the design. With the Kiss one, if it's a cushion design, that's what we want you to make. So you just make the 4 blocks and your creativity comes in the colours and fabrics that you use, really. So it just keeps it simple for everybody in that group. So if you want to join the Kiss Sew Along, go along to the Facebook group that's listed below. Everyone's welcome. It's free to join, and we've got lots of prizes. The top post in that group will be all the rules for the competition. So that's called our wildflower cushion. Yep, that's beautiful, Swpea. So we'll talk about our other Sew Along that's currently running as well in a minute, but we're going on to some beautiful Easter designs. So where would you like to start, Swpea? So Swpea went through our big stash of previous designs that we've done and picked ones that you thought would probably be quick.
So the first design I thought would be really good to make in a week is these stuffed eggling decorations, and there's 4 different types. And I think they're really cute to give to your grandkids or your kids or anybody really. So we've got like a little bunny, and we've got a little egg with a flower on it. We've got a little chicken, and we've got a fried egg here. Just for fun.
I love the way you call them. They're egglings, Swpea.
They are egglings. They're a little family of eggs.
Did they? Once upon a time, you had a name for them.
I did, but I can't remember. I think one was called Miss and Mr. Eggington. I think those 2.
And was there Edward and?
Oh yeah, I think it was Edward and
Agneta, or I don't know.
Something.
But they're gorgeous, and they're really quick and easy to make, aren't they? They can be made in a 4x4, a 5x5, and a 6x6.
Yep.
So it's just stitched by hand across the back where it's been joined together.
Yep.
And you've stuffed it. They're happy, cute little things, aren't they? Gorgeous.
Yeah. So they're a good little gift to give.
So that design comes with the 4 designs, so you can choose whichever you want to make.
Yeah.
Perfect.
And then we also have this bunny purse pouch, which is the 5x7, 6x10 and 7x12.
That's a cute little one.
This would be perfect, I think, for the little ones. They can have a little bag to put their little Easter eggs in.
It's
from
gorgeous.
their Easter egg hunt. And it's got a really cute little fluffy tail on the back as well.
I know that when my children were little, there was a big thing when the children were at school that some parents didn't like giving chocolate for their children, you know, like for health reasons or whatever. So that'd be a nice little gift. Yeah. This is going to show that this is the grey PU faux leather that we used. So it's beautiful and soft. I mean, you can use whatever you like. But again, we like using PU leather with our little purses because it's cleaner, isn't it? The fabric doesn't get dirty. Then you can just wipe it over with a wet sponge if it gets dirty with little chocolatey fingerprints on the purse. I can imagine little chocolate fingerprints along here from little people holding it. So you just need a wet cloth and you can wash that down. But again, you can use anything on those purses, and it's fully lined and no raw seams, and it nearly fell off the stool. Okay, so what next, Swpea?
Maybe these ones.
Yes.
These are fun. So these are, can't remember the name of these, but Mylar Easter decorations.
Yes.
Yeah, and these are really fun because you can use the Mylar.
So we sell Mylar. If you can't find it in your local craft supplies, we sell it online. It's a pack of 2 sheets. Each sheet seems to have a different kind of a colour way to it. It's either it looks a little bit pink or a little bit blue, but really it depends on the fabric you've got behind it because it's clear.
Yeah.
And it's shiny. And when you do the digitising for these designs, you put like a stippling into it, don't you?
Yeah, so they have to have a stippling to hold the Mylar down.
And that also then shows up the beautiful sheen to the Mylar.
Yeah, it makes it more sparkly.
Yeah.
So they're really fun and quick and easy to make.
You could actually make them and put them in the mail. You could post them to a
'cause they're
grandchild
flat.
or something because they're light as anything. They're backed with a bit of fabric. With the sets of Mylar, if you buy our set of Mylar on the website, you also get a free design of these snowflakes for Christmas. So if you bought them for your Easter decorations, you'd be prepared for Christmas as well because you get your free download of these Mylar decorations. So that's something to think about. That's always makes any sort of decoration really pretty when you've got that bit of sparkle in them, I think.
Yeah.
So that's those. Then you've got the beautiful little chick coasters there, Silvana.
Yes, so these are the little chick coasters. They can be made in the 4x4, 5x5. There's a few different designs included in this one. So they're nice and cute.
You could actually use those as applique on a little t-shirt or something, or a little towel or something for a child.
That would look super cute.
I love all of their the little expressions on their faces. They're so cute. You have fun designing all the Easter things, don't you, Silvana?
Yeah.
So this is they're called felt spring little ornaments, and these would be very quick and easy to make because they've just got raw edge. Because we've used felt and felt doesn't fray, once you trim back that applique, there's no satin stitching around it at all. So it's just a quick and easy little applique pieces. And you get that you get a set of 5 there. And you can make them in 4x4, 5x5 or 6x6. And they're called felt spring decor. So they're cute as well. Then we have a mug rug. So this is, we try not to make, when we do our designs, we try not to have all our bunnies looking the same or all our flowers looking the same or whatever. So this you did, this is a few years ago now. Oh, this is Emma. That's a few years ago Emma just digitised this one and designed it. It's the spring rabbit with flowers mug rug. So this is a quick and easy mug rug you can do, 5x7, 6x10 or 7x12. Beautiful embroidery in there, butterflies, and even just the stitching around the rabbit kind of gives that illusion of fur. It's gorgeous. So that's that. We've got a big mug rug.
Placemat.
Placemat. Well, big, yes, it's an oversized mug rug, which is a placemat. It's our Easter egg placemat. You can do that in a 5x7 or 6x10. So there's panels that are joined together. Did you do this one, Silvana?
No, Emma did that one.
Emma did this one as well. Here I was calling you the Queen of Easter. So that's another quick and easy one to brighten up your table. So I don't know whether you can see, James can probably zoom in on the back wall. You can have a look at the different things up there. Our big Easter bunny hanger, he's been very popular this year with his great big feet. He's gorgeous. We've got beautiful little fabric baskets with Happy Easter. There's little eggs embroidered on them. So they're gorgeous to put Easter eggs in. That'll be lovely on your table. We've got stuffed bunnies. We've got religious banners. Everything. So if you went to our website and typed in the word Easter, all our Easter designs would come up and you'll see them all. So we'll just get rid of all of our Easter designs now, Silvana. Oh, you were going to ask, we were having a bit of a discussion before. We have a pet bandana design on our website, and Silvana has been thinking of making one for her pet.
Yeah, Maya, my mini dash hound Maya, who's like kind of this kind of colour, like the fawn. I can't decide whether to make a bandana and put this bunny on or the lop-eared bunny. I just can't decide. So what you can do with the pet bandanas, you can actually use applique from other designs and put it on to the pet bandanas, which I do quite a lot for my Maya. Yeah, and I just can't decide which rabbit to make, so I'd love if you could help me out and Yes.
So that's a bit of a shout out to our viewing audience out there. If you can help Silvana by messaging in on the below which rabbit. So this is just a standard sort of a bunny rabbit.
Yeah.
And then this is the lop-eared bunny rabbit.
Yes.
I like to call him Flopsy. So these beautiful blocks were part of our Block of the Week Easter quilt that has just recently finished. Silvana designed it with all beautiful spring and Easter themed animals. But again, you can just take one block out of the design and put it onto anything you like that you're going to. So you're going to do that with your bandana for your little puppy dog. Can't wait to see it. You have to do it now that everybody knows.
I do have to. But yeah, these are super cute. Like I think they'd look really nice on like a little t-shirt or tea towel or something.
Gorgeous.
So, yeah.
Thank you for that, Silvana. So that's the Easter quilt. Now this is our sew along that has started at the beginning of this week. So this is our main monthly sew along. So this one has 16 blocks all together. There's 14 of these square blocks that make up the scene, and then there's a sashing border block and a little square corner block. So altogether there's 14 of the scene blocks, and then a border block and a corner block. So there's 16 blocks altogether. In the sew along, as long as you use every single one of the 14 scene blocks, you can make anything you like and be eligible for the competition. So all the rules are in the sew along. So that's the April main group sew along, which started earlier in the week. It's absolutely beautiful. The amount of detail in here is just gorgeous. So there's little signs. Where's the little squirrel? There was a squirrel in the tree. There's a fox behind the tree.
This is my favourite, this little fox over here.
So again, this is just our interpretation of what a little country road, I guess, township would look like. So when Alyssa did it, she picked this fabric that kind of looks like, could be like a red brick road.
Yeah, I think they were calling it the peach brick road, I think, while they were making it.
You can do whatever you like, but that was the thought behind it, because it's got the waviness in it. It's kind of to represent paths going up between the village houses. So there's a lot of detail in there. So that's our April sew along. It started, free to join. The link will be below. So all the rules for that in the competition. You can win great prizes for that one. So that's that one. And then where's the other one? Behind you. And this one has just started as well. This is our Kiss April sew along, the Keep It Simple sew along, where you just use the 4 blocks that come with the design and you make the little pillow. So it's that, and then the last thing to remember is, I'm going to fall off this chair, I'm sure of it, is our little elephant purse that was released this week. That comes as a separate design or a supply kit where you get the roll of the light grey PU faux leather and the natural with a silver fleck cork fabric in it as well, plus a pack of 3 white tape and silver zips. So that's about it, I think. I'm about to run out of voice, I think. Have a good week, everybody. We'll talk to you before Easter. Bye.
So if you've liked any products on the video this week, you can go to our website, which is swpea.com.